I'm Kinley of today's Creative Food Kids Edition. Today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful and decorative carrot.
Just in time for Easter or just spring or actually a garden party. That would be a lot of fun. Hey,
Yeah.
if you need our recipe for our cookie dough or the recipe that I use for our royal icing, go ahead and go to todayscreativefood.com and we'll see you there. You ready to get started?
Yes. So now I'm going to decorate my cookie, and you can use either side, the back side or the front. If your cookie on the back is flatter, you can probably use that. I'm going to use the back side. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just trace over my carrot, and it went on the side. I'm going to fill it in but not touch the edge. Now you can use a sharp tool or a toothpick, either one. I'm going to use a toothpick, and you can just shade it in.